Hello, everyone. My name is Carlos. I'm the CEO here at Datagran. And today I want to explain you how you can build end-to-end workflows with Datagran. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a demo pipeline. So I'm just going to change the name here to demo. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop an integration. This integration actually is preloaded in your workspace so that you can work with it. Then I'm just going to drag and drop the AI code operator. I'm going to connect it, and I'm going to tap on Edit. Once I do that, I can select my table from the integration, and then I can just set whatever alias for that table. So I'm just going to do demo in here. Once I do that, I'm just going to save and launch my IDE. Okay, our IDE loaded successfully. So I'm just going to tap here on this link, and I'm going to head into my IDE. The first thing you'll notice is that you're going to land in the README file. And basically what we tell you there is that, or here, is that we uploaded a sample data set for you from the table you connected, which is 50 rows, and that most of your files are going to be here in the source folder. As you can see, I have the README file here, and I got a main.py. This main.py, it's a helper file with some helper functions. And you're going to notice several things here. The first one is that we define the file type for you and the table schema. This is very important for Jedi, for our code assistant. So let's start working with these helper functions. The first thing is that you can load your data either with Dask or with Pandas. We're going to use Dask here. And one thing you have to do is you have to go back to your operator and check your alias. In our case, it's just demo. So I'm just going to write here demo, and I'm going to write here demo as well. And then let's just uncomment this print hello world, and I'm just going to hit play to check if everything's okay. And it seems everything is okay. I'm just going to clear my terminal here. The other thing I want to do is, hey, I just want to do a simple operation, right? For example, I want to know how many products I have that have a unit price of $1.04. So I'm just going to do that here. I'm just going to paste a comment that I did before the demo, but basically it's what I just said. Tell me how many product IDs we have at a price of 104 and print it and make it readable because we're using Dask. So I'm just going to hit enter. And as you can see, Jedi just auto-completed my code. And if I run this, we should basically see our output, right? And sorry about that. I just need to print it. So I'm just going to hit print, and it auto-completed. Just going to clear my terminal, and voila, there's my data, right? So it is that simple to use. Now, basically what we want to do is send the output to the next operator. So to be able to do that, I'm just going to uncomment this function, send to output table, and I'm just going to change this to my table, which is demo, okay? And once I do that, the next thing I have to do is basically commit my code. To be able to do that, I need to go here to GitHub, and I'm just gonna commit my code here, my main.py, and I'm gonna commit my README file, and I'm just gonna add a comment, which is basically my first code. I'm just gonna hit commit. And once you commit, you need to sync your changes. Head into my operator. I'm gonna hit save and run. And with that, once it finishes running, I'm just gonna drag and drop another operator, which is an SQL operator. Once it finishes, I'm just gonna connect it, and I'm gonna check my table there. So let's wait a little bit while it processes. You're gonna start seeing all of your logs here, and this should take just a few seconds. Okay, so now our code operator was successful, and we just need to connect it to our SQL. Once I do that, I just hit on edit, and I can just run my code here. And once I do that, I'm going to see my output table, right? I didn't do any transformations, so it's going to give me the same output table that I have as an input. Now with this, I just hit save and run. And once this runs, I'm just going to connect any of the destinations that you see here. I have APIs, Azure, Salesforce, or any destination where I want to send my data. Hope you like this quick demo, and let us know if you have any questions.